Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. In one of my classes the other day, a student of mine was talking about quite a distressing situation because her 11-year-old daughter had been subjected to a little bit of bullying at the secondary school she's recently started. And my student, who's also a teacher herself, wasn't having any of this. So she's basically already set up a meeting with her daughter's form tutor to try and stamp out the bullying before it gets bad. If you stamp something out or stamp out something, you basically end something bad or something harmful. It's often used in politics, so governments may introduce new legislation intended to stamp out child prostitution, for example. Or maybe governments will say that their first priority on getting into power will be to stamp out hunger, or to stamp out poverty, or to stamp out corruption. And maybe certain bodies or certain organisations are set up to try and stamp out racism in football, or to try and stamp out racism in the police force, for example. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use stamp out